Bacon cheeseburger, macaroni and cheese happening for supper tonight, y'all. I already cooked the bacon, got it over there cooling. We're gonna chop it up in a minute. Cooking the ground beef here now, and we've got the macaroni almost done. Let me turn that down. I need to shred this cheddar cheese and chop an onion to go in there. Alright, this is almost done. A couple more minutes here, and we'll drain this. I don't know if I have any cheese shredders in here or not. Do I have any cheese shredders? Looks like I'm on my own tonight. Okay, we got the ground beef drained and I added the bacon in there. We've got 4 tablespoons of butter melting in this pot. We're about to add some flour. And we're putting in a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, we're gonna put in a cup of milk. This is the cheese sauce that we're making to mix with the macaroni and the ground beef. We're gonna put a little salt, pepper, and paprika in here. Oh, and I've already got the oven preheated 350. I can't remember if I said that. A little paprika. We're putting in 1 cup of the cheddar cheese and a cup of mozzarella and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan. Let me grab that real quick. Oh, that Parmesan cheese always so hard to find. I see it. There we go. Okay, let me grab a big bowl. Or we'll just use this pot. We still have this pot over here. I think it'll all fit in here. We've got the macaroni in there. We're gonna add the ground beef. We'll add in the cheese sauce. Oh, that smells really good. Mix that all together. I'm gonna put just a little bit more milk in there, y'all. Alright, we're going to spray this 9x13 casserole dish. And now my cheese shredders showed up. I got Sissy and Manny in here. Taste testing the cheese. Is it good?
Yes.
Alright, we're going to dump in this mixture. It is heavy. Spread it out. We're putting a little more mozzarella over the top. And a little more cheddar. I forgot I was going to save 1 strip of bacon to chop up to put on top, but that's okay. We're also going to shake on a few little breadcrumbs. Panko breadcrumbs. Just shake some of those on top. And it's going to go in the oven for just about 20 minutes. We just want to melt this cheese on top and toast these breadcrumbs. This is really good, y'all. I think just the elbow macaroni and that cheese sauce mixture would make just a great macaroni and cheese bake too. It's the next day, y'all. We're making crunchy hot honey chicken. Alright, I've already got the chicken trimmed and ready, and I meant to preheat this to 75, y'all. I did 350, so let me up that to 375. We're going to crush up 2 cups of corn flakes. And I'm just going to pour them in here. I think that's about 2 cups there. Alright, and I think this pan's going to be big enough to put flour here and the cornflakes here. Most of these are going to be crunchy. I'm going to do, how many do I have? 8, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do 5 crunchy and 3 not crunchy. So I think that'll be enough cornflakes. If not, we'll grab some more and chop them up real quick. I'm going to put some flour right here. And we're going to crack those 3 eggs into that pan and whisk them up. This is what we're going to be breading the chicken with. And I've got a baking sheet over here with a rack on top. The rack is a little bit bigger, but I think it'll be fine. We're going to bake them on a rack, that way they'll be really crispy. But if you don't have a rack, you'll just need to flip them halfway through the cook time. Okay, let's get our eggs in here. I'm gonna put some sweet potatoes in the Instant Pot real quick, y'all. Can you go grab me my Instant Pot, Tyler? With the cornflakes, I forgot about this, y'all. Should have done this before I put them on here. We need salt and pepper, a little bit of paprika and garlic powder. And we'll just mix that in. Fix that little problem. It was just a happy accident. So we're dipping in the flour, then the eggs, then the cornflakes. And we're gonna put it over here on the rack. And the ones that I'm not gonna put the cornflakes on, I'll just put those in a different pan, because I'm not gonna have room on this one anyway for all of them. Okay, they're going in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, we've got about 2 tablespoons of butter melted, and we're gonna pour in this hot honey. This is a Savannah Bee Company hot honey. That's it. Now this hot honey is pretty hot, so some of those crunchy ones, the kids who don't want the spicy honey, we won't brush this on there. We also have that other sauce that we got, oh yeah, I remember. Thanks for reminding me where I put it. This sriracha honey, let's see if it's as hot as this hot honey. Yeah, it's as hot as this, but it's really good. It's really good, y'all. And I know this is gonna sound surprising, but for some reason, the honey is not even spicy on here anymore. Like, it's not even hot. I'm not sure if mixing it with the butter, or maybe that just there's, I don't know. It's not spicy. Like, anybody could eat this and you wouldn't even think it was a spicy hot honey on there, but it's really good. It gives the crust like a little bit of a sweetness. I really like the cornflakes on there. It gives it like a really crispy crust. All right, we're gonna eat, clean up, and take the kids on a little adventure.
Scared? No? You ready for it? Yeah. Number one, this is safe roller. No matter how it moves, it's going to come off this cable right here. Now that opening right there, that one up brackets go through there just like that. You see how it's going through there? You probably have to do most of them for him, okay? We try to keep it one person or obstacle at a time out there. The very last thing, right at the end here, that's the zip lines. When you get there, I'm going to have you tighten his up. What you'll do is you take this, it's the one that's tied to the side. You'll grab it all the way down here by this metal piece and pull straight up like that. I want you to pull it until you're pulling him off the ground, okay?
Straight through, baby.
Straight over that.
Straight,
Cece.
baby. Straight. Now flip it down. Right
there you go.
Push it. There you go.
Now.
There you go, sissy. You ain't scared of that thing. Watch it. You're doing good on the little kid one.
Just straight down, Cece. There you go.
Look how good he's doing right there.
This is the little kid course, and that up above is the big kid course. Jonah's doing the big one. They're getting him suited up over there right now.
Come on, baby.
That's pretty high up there, y'all. He's not even scared. Of course, he has Daddy down there.
Doing good, boy. That's right here. I ain't gonna let you fall. There you go, boy.
So they have two different courses, the little adventure and the big adventure. And with the big adventure, you can add on extremes, I think is what they call it. And I think you do another zip line or something, maybe a few other things. Jonah and Sissy and Titus did the big adventure because Sissy didn't want to go by herself when she did the big adventure, so Titus went with them. And there's a zip line. They both end with a zip line. The little kid one's a little one, you know, and then the other one's a bigger one. Just zip back across, Jonah. Okay, yeah, it looks like if you add the extremes, you go over here and do that, the little rings across there, and then you cross that bridge over the river. Okay. Jonah's just doing this one over and over while he's waiting. The people in front of him are a little nervous.
I'm about to do the tunnel. Yeah, the tunnel.
Here he goes, Manny. Look at Jonah.